You want to write a great short story, but you're not sure how to begin. Then we have the solution for you. You might want to consider the 8-point story arc. Are you ready? Let's get started. This is a simple but effective method for planning a well-developed story. The 8-point story arc is obviously made out of 8 key elements: stasis, the trigger, the quest, the surprise, the critical choice, a climax, the reversal, and the resolution. Now let's talk about each one of the elements in more detail. The first point is stasis. The word stasis simply means equilibrium or balance and can be thought as protagonist everyday life in which the story is set. This is the exposition of the story where characters and the settings are introduced. Example: Cinderella sweeping the ashes of a wicked stepmother, or poor Jack from Jack and the Beanstalk living in poverty with his mom and a cow, or our Harry Potter living with the Dursley family. The second point in the story arc is the trigger. Eventually, something has to happen in the story which is outside the control of the main character or the protagonist. This is referred to as the trigger because this leads to the evolution of the story. The trigger is the beginning of the rising action. Here are a few examples of the trigger. In Cinderella, her fairy grandmother appears. In Jack and the Beanstalk, Jack encounters the man with magic beans. And in Harry Potter, Harry receives the letter of acceptance from Hogwarts. The next part in the story arc is a quest. This is typically referred to as the rising action, and it is the direct result of the story's trigger. If the trigger is positive in nature, it may lead the protagonist on a quest to maintain this new improved existence. But if the trigger is negative or problematic, it leads to protagonist's quest to return life to his normal existence. Stories also tend to include surprises, the fourth point in the story's arc. Surprises are unexpected events that occur during the protagonist's quest. These can be positive events, but more commonly, they are challenges or obstacles that prevent our protagonist from completing his or her quest. One type of surprise may be introduction of a new character who either helps our protagonist or stands in their way. Surprises must be used purposefully, but still it should be unexpected for the reader. The next point in the story's arc is a critical choice. In every good story, the protagonist is put in a position where they must make a critical choice, a difficult one. The decision they make is key to the story and reveals the protagonist's true character to the reader. Perhaps the character must choose between an easier or a bad course of action, or they might have to choose a harder but a more righteous path. The sixth point in the story arc is the climax. The decision made by the character when faced with critical choice leads to the climax. This is the point in the story with the highest level of the tension for the reader. For example, Cinderella and her evil stepsisters trying on the glass slippers for the prince. Next, we have the reversal. The reversal is the outcome of the critical choice and the climax. It typically results in major changes for the characters. It is important that a story's reversal is logical and based on the events leading up to it. The final point in a story's arc is its resolution. This is where the protagonist reaches the new stasis, a new equilibrium, typically with dynamic characters, and the characters would have evolved, learning through important life skills and life lessons through their experiences. And there, in a nutshell, is the 8-point story arc. I hope this video helped you to plan your next short story. Happy writing! You are a superb writer. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.